Downhill battle. Race 10. Comtrue's advanced from the last race, who will join him today? Yuki Yaguchi, driving in Toyota Supra. Yuki Yaguchi will be going against Matt Medea, driving in Mazda RX-7. First driver to will win 3, advances on to the next round of 4. Race 1. Yuki Yaguchi starting from pole position. Here we go. Oh, stones on the track. Matt Medea takes the win in the race 1. Matt Medea decided to win right after the start. Race 2. Matt Medea starting from pole position. Here we go. Matt Medea also takes the win in the second race. The start looked better for Yuki Yaguchi, but Matt Medea picked up speed and overtook Yuki in turn 1. He claimed his second win in the row. Race 3. Yuki Yaguchi on the pole. Here we go. Matt Medea takes the third win in a row, and he advancing to the next round. Matt Medea, and his uncompromising Mazda. Here's semi-final duo, looks good.